The snow is just beautiful outside. Falling. Looks so pretty. We're tired of snow, but look how pretty it is. Laurel, you want to come look at the snow? What are y'all doing?
With all the equipment you use to stay fit, you might want to try lifting.
What are y'all doing?
In recent years, we've added unique natural
Don't you make a mess with that Play-Doh.
and suits. It helps us release.
Okay. Lacey, are you coloring?
Ready to use. Grab your
Are you coloring?
You'll feel it.
Duh.
It's underneath. Soak into it.
Laurel, you want to look at the snow? See the snow falling outside?
For only $50 a month with no contract or hidden fees.
Where you at, East? Where you at? Lacey! Oh, there she is. She's looking at the snow. She's looking at the snow. It's so pretty outside. Oh, the pretty snow. Smile for grandmother. Can you smile? Oh, got snots coming out of your nose. Ew.